Hi everyone, welcome to Viatis. In this video, we'll be sharing my easy DIY or do-it-yourself ideas for fall and Thanksgiving. First DIY is very simple. All you need is this orange glass jar and LED tea light candle. Place this tea light candle inside the jar and it looks like a glowing pumpkin. The second DIY, you need one of this Dollar Tree block calendar and a printout of fall themed picture. Cut this picture in circular form and stick it on this llama. This idea is originally from YouTuber Bargain Bethany. You can repurpose this DIY for different seasons, including for Christmas, by changing this picture. Sticking small piece of cardboard at the back will make it more firm. For next DIY, you need metal wreath, mesh roll, scarecrow picks, garlands, and glue gun. Take one end of this mesh roll and tie a knot at the inner circle of this wreath. Now pull this mesh through the space in the inner circle and make it a loop. Then twist the mesh and again pull the mesh from the space at the outer circle and twist it again. Then go again to the inner circle to make a loop. Now scrunch the first two loops at the end and start making another loop from the inner circle, then twist it and make another loop at the outer circle and continue. These loops need not be perfect. Then encircle this fall foliage garland around this wreath like this. The wreath looks like this. Now take the scarecrow brick and insert it here. Then cut the twig. This was my original plan. Then I found this old broomstick that I cleaned and I'm using this to circle this scarecrow and fix it with glue gun, and the harvest of fall wreath is ready. For next DIY, we need burlap ribbon, fall leaves, willow candle, old glass jar. I'm using old glass candle here. Cut both the edges of this burlap ribbon. Cover this glass with burlap and glue it at the joint and stick one fall leaf like this. At Dollar Tree, you get pack of 50 leaves like this for $1 and you can use them for multiple DIYs. Next simple hack is sticking the fall leaves on the wall with this dot adhesive. In this DIY, I am taking Dollar Tree candle holder and sticking these fall leaves like this. Then I'll place LED tea light candle inside this. So this is the look. For this DIY, I am taking fall leaves, cardboard paper and small tin bucket. You will get pack of 3 for $1 at Dollar Tree. Prepare a cone using this cardboard paper. Then cut it at the base. Then stick fall leaves to this cone. This DIY and next DIY idea I got from YouTuber Chic on the Cheap. For this DIY, I got this lamps here from Walmart for 98 cents. I printed this buffalo check pattern and these pumpkin lights are from Dollar Tree. Cover this box with buffalo check pattern paper. Then place the lamps here inside this and cover it with pumpkin lights. This is the final look. For this DIY, carefully remove these artificial leaves and flowers from this old stem and using hot glue, stick these leaves to the tip. Then place it on a vase. I prepared this vase using old Coke bottle. For this DIY, we need fall leaves printed in a sheet, string lights, cylindrical jar, pair of scissors, glue stick. At first, cut these fall leaves like this and then draw a heart shape and cut accordingly. With the help of glue stick, stick these heart shaped leaves on the jar. In this DIY, I am using Dollar Tree's tree-shaped trinket tray. Using Sharpies, I am drawing some leaves and cutting them. Now on each leaf, I am writing in small letters the things that I am grateful for. Then I will glue these leaves and gratitude label. And this gratitude tree is ready. For next DIY, I am using this thankful pumpkin sign and chalk writer from Dollar Tree. You can use as it is or you can print a label called as Today We Are or Today I Am and stick it there. So every day I write a thing that I'm thankful for, and I'm hanging this board in my living room. And here goes my home decor too. Fall themed wreath hanging on the door. Then our scarecrow Mr. Clean is suggesting to wash your hands. Near to this is our dining table centerpiece. All these items are from Dollar Tree or the DIYs using Dollar Tree items. This is our daily gratitude reminder. Tea light candle. Block calendar and a craft display cubes displaying Halloween, Thanksgiving and fall themed crafts. shadow box last year. I'm not a great fan of Halloween, so I kept Halloween decor minimal at patio. I keep this fall and Thanksgiving decor from mid of September till Thanksgiving and then transition to Christmas decor a day or two before Advent starts. So this is my seasonal decor at home. So this is our jack-o'-lantern. I kept a candle inside this pumpkin candy bucket from Walmart that you get for $1. And this is how it turned out.
Hi, I'm Jack-o'-lantern. Please like this video and subscribe to Ria Tales.
Well, thank you for watching Ria Tales.